Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another episode of TheWalk&Talk. Episode 74. Getting on up there, guys. Today is Farm and Field Day on the Walk and Talk. So, let's get to it. Yeah, I got a couple of my Bullnose number 71s out. Green linen micarta. Black linen micarta. Very sweet. Of course, the new number 85 there. So, let's get to it. I believe you guys know what we got in here. And like always, don't forget. Let's get to it. Here's my old trusty user there. My first GEC knife ever. Look here. Here she is. My first GEC knife. Anyways, let's get to it. I believe this is going to be pretty sweet. I'm excited to get my hands on one of these. I've been wanting one for a while, and from my understanding, they haven't made any of these number 21s in quite a few years, to my knowledge anyway. I know I haven't. I don't think at least since 2015. I haven't seen one since then. That's when I started looking at GEC knives, and I don't think I've seen one, any new productions anyway. Had my chance to get one at one time, but it was used and it had been sharpened quite a bit, so I passed on it. So let's get her open here. Try not to mess up my little label on top there. There we go. We'll just rip her open. There she is, big old long tube. I'm stoked about getting my hands on one of these. There's where she come from. Look at that big old long tube compared to the 71. Quite a bit of difference there. These are supposed to be pretty good size, and I find that interesting, so I like a good sized knife. Slip joint especially. There's my 71 there. Let's get to her. There's our lid. Black linen micarta. You know I had to get one to match my 71 there. I love that black 71. I like my green one, but that black is very sweet. Just cracked the seal on her. I'd say a lot of you guys are probably receiving some of these in the mail today as well, so the reserves are shipping out. Man, I feel some weight in there. I feel some weight. You guys ready for this? I sure am. Bling! Look at that. Oh man, that is hefty. That has got some weight to it. And we got the scales out to check it out. I know you guys would want to maybe know the difference between a 71 and a 21. Look at that. Let's get the 71 out there before we get going on her. Quite a bit of difference there. Now this is basically just like a case standard sod buster, and then you have a sod buster junior. And this is what the 71 would be considered, I guess. Man, it's a hefty. It feels like a beast. And the bull buster, yeah, that's what I envisioned when I got it in my hands. Let's take a look around her before we open her up. Very nice. Man, she's got some size to her. There's that. Farm and Field. That's one of my favorite little features right there on these Farm and Fields. Come on now, pick it up there. Man, let's get to it. Oh yeah. What a beast. Look at that. Yes. That is a beast. Look at that. Full hand. I got rather large hands. Man, that is sweet. Let's get her up to the bullnose there again. Number 71, number 21 comparison. Get up on those blades. There's their etching. Very nice. And I tell you, you can't beat these for the money. If you are just getting into your first GEC knife, maybe you haven't purchased one, maybe you've just purchased just one or two, or you're thinking about it. You can't beat these farming fields. I mean, that was my entry into them for the money. I mean, this knife was 65 bucks. If I remember correctly. Somewhere around that area, and the 71s are right there in the same ball field, just over 60 bucks. If you're looking for a knife, and I'm telling you guys, you better get them while you can get them. I believe they've got the 71s are released out right now too. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think I've seen something about a 71 for sale in an email. It's that time of the year. Man, I'm glad they done a run of these. That is sweet. That pull is probably, it's about a 7. Not quite as stout as my 71 there. These 71s are hovering right around 8 on the pull. That's about where I like it right there. 7. 6, 7, and 8 is my favorite pull strength right there. My favorite pullage. Let's check that centering. Oh yeah, on the money. Yeah. Very nice. I hope this light's picking that black linen micarta up. I couldn't go out in the sunlight today. It's just too muddy out. Very nice. Let's see here. Let's try this. Let's see if that helps you out any. It's my first time ever trying this. I don't know. Yeah, that is a sweet knife. Kind of reminds me of the canoe. Yeah, 2019 production. Bullbuster. There's your etching again. Very nice, very cool. Again, we'll let you take a look at the bullnose in case you're trying to figure out which one you want. This is a nice one. If you like a good size knife in your hand, this is all you. That's a great work knife right there. Out on the farm, in the field, great field knife, I would assume. You could probably just about do anything you needed with that. It's probably right at the edge of the size of being EDC. Probably wouldn't, it's just small enough to be good EDC knife. I wouldn't go much bigger than that on EDC, personally anyway. Got my neighbor walking around next door. Anyways, there it is, guys. 2019 Bullbuster GEC Farm and Field. And let's get you the weight on it and we'll wrap this up. If you didn't know, $10.95 on the blade steel. These are steel too. These are, I'm assuming, $10.95 as well. So let's get the weight going on here. I'm interested to see this. Yeah, 101.7 grams. and I believe this is close to 70 grams, somewhere in that area. 68.4. Kind of cold out here, so yeah, 68.4, 68.5. 68.4 on the, yeah, 68.5 on the 20 or 71, and 101.7 on the 21. There's your weight difference, and just for, there's your overall, almost 8 or just over 8 inches. 8 1/4 overall inches right there. 8 1/4 overall on that one. Let's assume this is somewhere around just over 6. Almost 7 inches overall length on the 71. Cutting edge 3 1/2 on the 21. Just over, not quite 3 inches on the cutting edge on the 71. So it's under 3. There we go, guys. That's going to wrap this one up. Kind of yacked a little bit much on this one, but man, it's sweet. It's sweet. It's big. There she is, guys. One more look around her here for you. Black linen micarta. That's going to wrap it up, guys. I thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Hillbilly is over and out of here. Peace. What a brute.